All right, good morning, everyone. It's a loud morning out there, that's for sure. Not, not the morning I was expecting, to be honest. I knew we were going to get some rain, but it's a little bit more heavier and intense than I thought it would be. But having said all that, nothing to be terribly concerned about. It's very loud. A lot of lightning strikes around. Hopefully, it's not hitting anything, but definitely loud. It definitely will get your attention. Gusty winds also have had winds gusting close to 30 miles an hour at my house. As you can see from the radar, no severe warnings in effect, so there's nothing to worry about that. I'll talk about the possibilities of severe weather overall here in just a second, but I kind of want to give everybody current view of what's going on. So you can see the radar. There's a lot of heavy rain out there this morning. A lot of lightning, like I said, gusty winds. But this is it's not severe level. We have had some hail reports earlier this morning up north of Denton and Sanger. Had some pea size, marble size hail. I think there was even a ping pong ball size hail report for just a little bit, but that's been the exception, not the rule. They did have a severe thunderstorm warning issued for that part of the Metroplex earlier this morning. But again, no warnings in effect currently. So, and I don't really expect there to be any. But if we zoom out, really the heaviest rain and storm activity we have is down here in Ellis County. There's a special weather statement for this particular storm. So if you know anybody down that way, they are expecting a little bit more in the way of hail and gusty winds. But this one is actually this one was the severe weather statement was for half-inch hail. So just if it's nothing to be concerned about, obviously. But if you know anybody down that way, just give them a heads up that stormy weather will be on the way. Um, like I said, it's not a overly concerning situation to be concerned about. Uh, we had this cold front come through yesterday. All these storms are elevated, as we say, so they're not surface based. So that's why we don't have to worry about tornadoes, really, really large hail, although these elevated storms can put down bigger hail at times, and just like that, loud thunder. um, so there's not a traditional severe weather threat with these storms, but like I said, uh, they are loud and, gusty winds. And like I said, I think the strongest of these storms would produce some small hail, really. Like I said, we only had the one warning so far this morning, earlier up in Denton County. So I'll put these in motion for you real quick. And as you can see, generally east motion, east northeast, I guess you could say. So these storms, there's a little bit of a line there. You can sort of see down south there for a while. That I think that radar started back at 4:30 in the morning. And as you can see from the lightning indicators, a lot of lightning with these storms. Of course, you don't have to have the radar to know that. All you can do is listen for it. But it's like I said, it's. I just wanted to come on and briefly and. If you have outdoor plans this afternoon, I definitely think that's going to be in jeopardy. Certainly, if you have plans this morning, that is not going to happen outside. And by the way, I wouldn't be outside at all during this time because lightning is a killer. So you do not want to be outside, especially with this type of lightning going on. Now let's look at the bigger picture for a second. So I want to show this. So this is a severe weather outlook that the Storm Prediction Center put out this morning. And as you see, the light green is marginal risk. That's 2 out of 5, or excuse me, 1 out of 5. And as you can see, well south of Dallas Fort Worth, they are expecting at least the potential for stronger storms in South Texas, South Central Texas, and they're on the other side of the cold front. So that's why some of those storms would be surface based. And now again, even down there, they're not expecting a widespread severe weather event. So if you happen to be headed down that way, just keep that in mind. The storms will be a little bit stronger down there. But up here, you can see we're just in the general thunderstorm risk category, the light green. But again, as you can see from this morning, the general thunderstorm category can be quite loud and messy sometimes. So that keep that in mind. So as we get into the rest of the day, we're going to see a little bit of a lull after this stormy pattern moves through this morning. But then we'll have more showers and thunderstorms. Let me go back to the radar here. There we go. We'll have more showers and thunderstorms off and on during the day. And this is, as you can see, we look back out west. There's more coming. But as you can see, too, there's pockets of areas where it will stop raining temporarily. But then, like I said, these storms will continue to form as this disturbance moves across our part of the state, really most of the day. And then I think we'll see some breaks later on this evening, and tomorrow won't be as bad. And the first part of next week will be actually pretty nice, and then we'll have another storm system come in middle part of next week. When, of course, this is April, so we'll have another chance of severe weather, but we're way far away from that right now. So, with that, just wanted to give everybody a quick update. Just take the necessary precautions you have today. When you're outside, it's going to be stormy at times. It's not going to be stormy other times. And just be weather aware today. I don't expect any severe weather, certainly by definition. However, if that were to change, I would definitely keep you updated on that. But with that, enjoy your Saturday morning, and it'll be a little loud for a little while, but then it'll quiet down. It'll get loud again probably later on, then it'll quiet down again. So it's just going to be one of those days, stormy day, and if you can stay inside and just relax, hopefully you can do that. So with that, I'm watching weather so you don't have to. Hope everyone has a great Saturday. Stay safe with these storms. Be careful, and we'll talk to you soon.